In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make persona in FigJam. Start by opening your browser and heading to figma.com, then log into your account so you can access your projects. Once you're on the Figma home screen, locate FigJam. You can either start a fresh FigJam board or open one from your recent files if you're continuing work. Either choice is fine. The important thing is that you're inside a FigJam board where we can place a ready-made persona. With your board open, look for the Templates option in the toolbar. This opens a library of pre-built layouts you can drop directly onto your canvas. In the search bar within Templates, type Persona. You'll see several results tailored for user research. Hover over the one labeled User Persona and click Add Template. FigJam will place a complete persona framework onto your board, ready for customization. Now edit it to reflect your project. Click into each text field to replace the placeholder content. Common areas include a short persona summary, goals, frustrations, key behaviors, tools they use, and a quote that captures their mindset. Keep the language clear and specific so anyone reading it can quickly grasp who this persona represents and why it matters. If the template includes a photo placeholder, you can replace it with a generic avatar or a royalty-free image. Avoid inserting real personal details. Keep everything anonymized and representative. For the name, you can use a role-based title like Budget Conscious Shopper rather than a real individual's name. This keeps the persona focused on patterns, not private information. Adjust the layout to match your board. You can move sections around, resize text boxes, and change colors to align with your team's style. If you need additional details like environment, accessibility needs, or decision triggers, duplicate an existing section and rename it. Sticky notes are great for quick observations or hypotheses you're still validating. As you edit, anchor your statements in real findings whenever possible. If you have research notes, translate them into concise, scannable points. Use measurable, behavior-focused language over vague descriptions. The goal is a persona that's instantly understandable and genuinely useful during design discussions. Once you've refined the content and layout, you're done. You've added the user persona template and customized it in FigJam, creating a clear reference your team can align around as you design.